Hi and welcome to Today We Craft. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make reusable fabric Christmas crackers. First you need outer and liner cotton, both 8.5 inches by 8.5 inches, and another pair which is going to be 8.5 inches by 7.5 inches. You're also going to need 4 pieces of 2-inch reinforced cotton webbing, 2 which are 7.5 inches and 2 which are 6.5 inches. You also want ribbons, buttons and anything else that you want to decorate your crackers. Take your larger piece of lining fabric and turn it over so the back is facing you. Take one of your larger pieces of webbing and put it 1/2 inch away from the edge of the fabric, around both sides. You then want to put the next one 3 inches up from that, which should leave you 1 inch at the top. Pin this all the way around to secure, and we're just going to be sewing along the edges here. Now you can decorate the outside of your cracker. Remember that it's going to be rolled up and gathered in the middle, so you only want to decorate the 2-inch sections either side. If you like, then you can place your lining fabric next to your outer fabric. You can then draw lines indicating the 2-inch sections that you're able to decorate. I'm just going to use some simple ribbons to decorate my cracker, making sure that I allow for the seam at the edge. This is of course entirely optional, and especially if you're using a patterned fabric, then plain crackers are absolutely fine too. Once you're happy with how your cracker is decorated, turn them over so the correct sides are facing each other. We want to leave this wider side open, so we're only going to be sewing around these 3 sides. Once you've done that, you can just snip off the corners. This will just make it a bit neater once we turn it inside out. Use something pointy like a pencil to push out the corners to make them nice and neat. Now we want to seal up this gap, and we do that by just folding both sides in and pinning to secure. Take a piece of velcro 8.5 inches long and cut it up the centre to make a narrow strip. You can buy a narrow velcro, this just happens to be what I had to hand. Now separate the 2 pieces of velcro. It really doesn't matter which piece you actually use for this. Now because this is the larger end of the cracker, I'm going to be sewing the velcro onto the inside, that's the lining side. This will also close up the opening at the same time. Use a couple of quilting clips or pins to secure, whilst you hand sew to form a tube. And that's half your cracker finished. Repeat this process for the other side of the cracker. The only difference is that you want to make sure that you're sewing the corresponding piece of velcro onto the outside of the fabric. Also, once you roll it up, make sure it fits snugly inside the other half before you sew it up. Now you just need to use a piece of ribbon to tie up the centre of each of the half crackers, and that's them finished. Fill your crackers with anything that you like. I like gin. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps out the channel massively. Also, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends.